Randy TV.
Hello guys, what's up? Tayo ay magluluto ng spaghetti na ibang panghalo. Ito ay isang soya mince instead na meat mince. Soya mince. Yan. Siya yan. For healthy. So, meron tayong puting sibuyas, bawang, and brown spaghetti. This is the broccoli spaghetti. See? This is broccoli. And also tomato sauce. Yeah. So, lutuin natin ito ngayon for lunch. Okay? So, first I prepare water for the spaghetti. Okay, we start to prepare. First, oil. This for spaghetti to put the water. So my friend, alright, we start now for the onion and garlic together. That's the way how to cook. Simple. Cook well. Tutuin ng maigi para lumabas ang aroma, yung bango. Okay, it's ready. Now put the noro. After the soy sauce. Soy sauce, no soy sauce, tomato sauce. Correct. So make a boil, pakuluan. Yes, after the boil, put some ingredients like black pepper, oyster sauce, paprika, or red pepper. Okay. Hey guys, oh, it's ready. The water is ready. So we put the broccoli spaghetti. Broccoli. Yeah. Okay. So slowly. Okay, we put the black pepper, red pepper, paprika. Yes. And oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, little only. Yeah. Okay. So it's still boiling, and also the spaghetti with broccoli. Yes. Now I think it's ready now. So now I put the soya mince. Yes. All right. Okay. Alright, it's ready. My sauce ready. Soya. Okay, thank you for watching my vlog, and also maybe 4 minutes to be ready now. Please. Okay. See you again in my next vlog. Thank you.